like that soon. All the way down to Little Rock, and we finally found the tractor we're going to use. We're going to be able to do all the stuff, all the irrigation. We're going to probably try to dig a pond with this and get all kinds of stuff done. Finding out a spot for the greenhouse, finding out a spot for the dairy cows. We're going to fill in our raised beds with dirt. This thing's going to be a super big help.
You see those buildings right there? That's where the tornado hit. Next Home Depot.
Got the tractor all loaded up and hooked up, and the worker that helped me, the Home Depot worker, is super chill. He said he's growing watermelon, so heck yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna be heading home now with the tractor. Awesome, let's get to work. Let's do it.
Alright, we're going to take the back way home. Pulled over. It's about an hour-and-a-half drive. Nigel's going to go get us a burger because we are starving. And also, there's a tropical smoothie right over there. Tropical Smoothie Cafe. It's right behind that tree. They have the hugest smoothies for like $6. Give you a big ol' size. They don't even have size, just the big boys. That's how everyone should do it. And look, here's Costco. We didn't realize there was a Costco in Little Rock, but it's an awesome place to go and stock up.
Picked up some wings and burgers from Way Back Burgers here in Little Rock. Pretty good, pretty good. We got the tractor packed up, and we're heading to the homestead right now, and we're taking side roads back home just because didn't want to take the interstate back. So nice smoother ride going this way, not any traffic. Alright, so yeah, this tractor is going to be super exciting. We're going to try to build a pond with it. Oh, look at this, Lake Mamuel and the Mamuel River. Pretty cool. right, we're coming by the Lake Manuel Sailing Club. Cool, pretty big lake. Awesome. Yeah, so we're gonna try to get a pond built, and our idea for the pond is to have a bunch of fish in it that we can catch and eat. We're gonna try to get a lot of tilapia, a lot of bass, catfish, and stock it up and grow them all year long. So heck yeah, we got a lot of water on the property, and the well puts out a lot of water too, so we're gonna be able to keep it filled up. So we're gonna try to dig a pond, and heck yeah, I have a lot of cool ideas we can do for it. At this old hot springs I used to go to, Franklin Hot Springs in Paso Robles, California, they had a big, huge slide going into the hot springs, and it was made out of a big, wide plastic pipe, and they just put some rubber in it, and you just slide down it. They had some water going down it too, but heck yeah, we're gonna try to do that. Do all kinds of, maybe a big rope swing, some sort of big rope swing. Freaking heck yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So let's get started. We're going through the forest.
Continue on Arkansas 324 North for 4 miles.
Alright, going up a super steep grade right here. I think we got some pretty big hills and mountains out here in Arkansas. That's for sure. Reminds me of going up the Tioga Pass with our trailer and quad on the back. Heck yeah. Here we go. Almost there. Almost there, getting to the top. There we go. Top of the mountain to ya. Bella, we get goldfish and all kinds of fish to put in the pond. Yeah.
And also gold. Fish.
Continue on Arkansas 155 North for 3 miles.
It'd be cool to get those cows with the big floppy ears, the brown ones. The old Arkansas farm buildings. Look at, there's the old house where the farmer used to live. Rockhound territory. Oh yeah, looks like a bunch of granite. Bunch of big granite outcrops right here. Yeah. Thanks, Benson. So if you're wondering what kind of wildlife is out here, on the road, every time I drive, I see either an armadillo or a turtle. So there's lots of turtles and armadillos out here. In Yell County. Wow, look at all those white cows. They're all white. Tons of them. Heck yeah, little mamas and calves. Dardanelle High School. They're the Dardanelle Sand Lizards. Cool. Tyson Foods says frozen food complex. Made it home finally. The background took a little bit longer than we thought, but we're here. Check it out. Neighbor's cows are over there. We got the tractor here. We're gonna unload it, do some tractor work, and heck yeah. Just got here. Sun's just now going down, but there's lights on the tractor, so we can try to get some work done tonight. And we gotta milk the cow, and then we might head into town for dinner tonight because we're pretty busy on everything else. So heck yeah, let's do it. We're here. We're gonna fix all the potholes in the road. It's gonna be a lot more smoother. I'm gonna have a big pile of gravel. I'm gonna come down here and fill in all these holes. Heck yeah. Awesome, we're gonna get so much work done. I'm thinking we're gonna keep the tractor for an entire week instead of 2 days like I originally planned. So heck yeah, let's do it.
Please.
Oh, check it out, all the cows are waiting for us. There's Mama Milky right there. She's waiting to get milked. We got the 4 mini cows all chilling, looking nice. Look how good she's looking. I don't know, she might be pregnant, who knows?
Cows are running. See? The cows are some of a bit running.
It's the stampede of the cows. I see the pups. Pups are all...
See the cows. Oh.
We're home. The dogs are really excited. Good girl. Good girl. Hi, Cookie. The girls are checking out the tractor.
We just made it back to the homestead. It was a long drive, but we're here. What's up, Drills? Cows are all checking out the tractor. Heck yeah. Get our raised garden going, get the garden. We're gonna scrape a big, huge plot for a huge garden area. We're gonna get thousands of plants, thousands of seeds planted. We're gonna dig a huge pond out there. Might even make a little river stream. Get all kinds of stuff going. So heck yeah, let's get started. Go! Yeah! Awesome, we got it down.
Mama wants to see what's going on. Come on. Come on, Mama. Look at all your friends came over.
So powerful. Yeah, the soil is hardened up a fair amount. But I think down in the field is still pretty wet, so I should be able to scoop that stuff out pretty easily, you know what I mean? Oh, look at check it out. See, this was one scrape. Look at pretty good soil. Thank you. So I can scrape all this up and then put it in a pile and we can burn it. Heck yeah. And then yeah, but for filling up the raised garden bed with soil, I don't really want to dig a hole right here. So I kind of maybe just want to use dirt from the field where we're gonna dig the pond and bring that dirt up here and fill it in. What do you think about that?
Sounds good.
Oh, she liked the new soil? Huh? She's dancing for the new soil. Yeah, this soil is so nice. We're gonna be able to plant right on the ground. We're gonna scrape the weeds off and plant right on the ground, then also plant in our raised beds. But we're gonna plant tons. We're gonna scrape these weeds right off. We're able to scrape all these weeds and thorns out. So there's just gonna be nice big trees with grass growing around it. It's gonna be super nice. Looks like the neighbor beef cows are checking us out. They're a bunch of big white cows. Check them out. Maybe sounds like to say hi.